All right, let's be real for a second. Who hasn't daydreamed about owning a supercar? You know, the kind that screams down the highway, makes your neighbors jealous, and has you questioning if you'll ever need another coffee with how fast it wakes you up. But here's the thing. What really makes these beasts so different from your everyday sedan? Why is this a poster on your wall, and this just what you drive to work? Today we're diving deep. Supercar versus regular car. What really sets them apart in terms of performance, design, and technology? And trust me, after this, you might look at your daily driver a little differently. Let's go. First up, the heartbeat of any car, the engine. Now, when it comes to power, let's just say the supercar is all about flexing. We're talking engines that sound like thunder. V8, V10, V12, names that sound like they came straight out of a Marvel movie. The McLaren 720S here pushes out a mind-bending 710 horsepower. That's almost 10 times more than the first car you probably drove, which, let's be honest, was lucky to hit 100 GP without complaining. Now, your everyday sedan? It's a bit more like a solid gym membership. It's there when you need it, dependable, but it's not exactly going to blow your socks off. A typical 4-cylinder or V6 engine is all about that smooth, fuel-efficient drive. 0-60? You might want to grab a coffee and come back in a minute. And supercars don't just go, they explode off the line. We're talking 0-60 in less than 3 seconds, folks. That's quicker than some of y'all can even unlock your phone. Meanwhile, the family sedan? Let's just say it's more about getting to the grocery store comfortably than racing the clock. Now let's talk about looks. Supercars don't just walk into the room, they own it. They're low, mean, and designed to cut through the wind like a hot knife through butter. These lines aren't just for show, though. Every curve, every sharp angle has a purpose. It's all about aerodynamics, baby. Less drag means more speed. Your regular car, though, it's like your favorite hoodie. Practical, comfortable, gets the job done. But nobody's staring when you roll up to the office, you know? The designers weren't thinking about racing, they were thinking about headroom, trunk space, and making sure you can fit 5 people without squeezing. Supercars even have active aerodynamics. We're talking spoilers that adjust themselves in real time, diffusers keeping the car planted on the ground at high speeds. It's like they're literally transforming while you drive. Your sedan? Well, it transforms too. Into your Uber when you need a ride home. When it comes to tech, supercars are basically spaceships. Performance telemetry, driving modes like sport or even track, launch control, it's like a video game, but in real life. You're getting real-time data on everything. Tire pressure, G-forces, torque distribution. It's not just driving anymore, it's engineering on wheels. Now, your regular car, it's not exactly built for the track, but it's got its own set of gadgets. Infotainment systems, navigation, those sweet heated seats that feel like a warm hug on a cold morning. And don't get me started on the cup holders. Ever seen a supercar with decent cup holders? Exactly. Supercars give you the tech to break the speed of sound. Regular cars give you the tech to break rush hour boredom. They each have their place, right? So what's the verdict? Supercars are fast, furious, and built for those who live life in the fast lane. Literally, they're about pushing limits, turning heads, and giving you an adrenaline rush that makes your heart race just as fast as the engine. But they're not exactly practical, are they? Regular cars, though, they're the unsung heroes. They get you from point A to point B without drama. They keep you comfortable, safe, and let's be honest, most of us need that more often than we need to hit 200 miles per hour. At the end of the day, whether you're chasing the thrill or just getting through your daily commute, both cars have their charm. But now, you know what sets them apart? If you want to keep dreaming about supercars or maybe learn more about how your regular car works behind the scenes, hit that subscribe button and join the ride. We've got more deep dives, comparisons, and maybe even a chance for you to see some of these bad boys in action. Hit that like button, comment below which car you think takes the crown, and trust me, you're not going to want to miss what we've got coming next. Catch you in the next video.